Okay, so I want you to look at page 169 in your math book. Make sure that your name is on the top. We're going to look at the apple down here. It says, read the following two problems. Have children draw a picture and write a number sentence for each. On Monday, Tony saw 3 dogs and 6 cats. How many animals did he see? On Tuesday, Tony saw 6 dogs and 3 cats. How many animals did he see? So we need an addition number sentence for our first math fact here, or we need to write an equation. So if he saw 3 dogs and 6 cats, what's that? What are we going to write on the line? Good, everyone. We're going to write 3 plus 6 equals what? 9. Okay? And let's go ahead and we'll give the 3 a color and we'll give the 6 a color. All right. And then it says, how many animals did he see on Monday? So we need to answer that in a complete sentence. Tony saw 9 animals on Monday. And you can draw a picture if you would like to, if you want to do 3 plus 6. Now we're not done, because the next part says, on Tuesday, Tony saw 6 dogs and 3 cats. How many animals did he see? So our equation for this one needs to be what? 6 plus 3 equals 9. So I am going to keep my 6 this purple and my 3 the orange. Now we need a complete sentence for how many animals he saw on Tuesday. So we're just going to say, Tony saw 9 animals on Tuesday, period. Now, here's the important part. What strategy or property are we talking about here? Look back in your math journal. What strategy or property are we talking about here? Who can tell me? Yes. We did a turnaround fact. Absolutely. What's the fancy name for a turnaround fact? Yes. Yes. So we're going to write that here at the top. We have, this is the commutative. We can shorten it with, this is the commutative property, or turnaround facts. You do need to know both names. The fancy name and the not as fancy name. So that's what's happening here. The commutative property where we have the addends commuting, traveling, or turnaround facts because they're basically just turning around. They're just trading places. So go ahead, finish page 169. Make sure that you have complete sentences with capital letters and periods. Now we're going to turn the page over and look at page 170. Oh my goodness, in Model and Draw. These are some ways to remember facts, or they could say these are some strategies to remember facts. You can count on by 1, 2, or 3. Okay, so that's the counting on strategy, or changing the order of the addends does not change the sum. So we have 2 plus 6 is 8, and 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay, same thing. Neither one of these are going to work in subtraction ever, ever. Okay, these do not work in subtraction. All right. We've also learned about the identity property today that is not listed on the page. So you're going to need your math journal. We're going to label these facts with the property that is shown. So remember, quick review, we have doubles, doubles plus 1, doubles minus 1, counting on by 1, 2, or 3, the commutative property of addition or turnaround facts, and the identity property. Those are the 6 strategies we've learned about. Let's make a short little list at the top. And we don't have a lot of room to write, so we're just going to shorten it up. So we can say 1 was doubles, 2 was doubles plus 1, 3 was, help me out. Good. 4 was what? This one right here. No, 4 is this one. Counting on. This is 4. This was strategy 4 right here. The counting on. So I'm just going to put counting on. Okay. 5. What was our 5th one? Yeah. I'm going to put, I'll shorten it up. I'm going to put calm property. And this is the example right here. This is number 5. Changing the order of the addends does not change the sum. Or commutative property, or turn around facts, TA facts. And number 6 was what? What do you think? Identity. Anything plus 0 is equal to itself. Okay. So here we have 4 plus 4. What's happening here? Awesome. You're going to write doubles under it. 4 plus 4 is 8. Now we have 4 plus 5. What is happening here? Oh, you're so good. And you can just write D plus 1 for doubles plus 1. Okay. Then on number 2, What do we have happening here? 5 plus 0 is 5. What's happening? The identity. And we have 2 plus 0 is 2. Also the what? Identity. Good work. Number 3. Now these together have a special relationship. What's happening here? 3 plus 8 and 8 plus 3. What's happening? Yeah, commutative property. So you can just put COMM, commutative, and you could put TA for turnaround. Okay? Because they're swapping places. And I always like to use a little bit of color on those because it helps. Oh, I forgot to do this one. So here's doubles plus 1. So 4 plus 4 plus 1 is what? 9. Okay. There's also another strategy that you can use for this one. 8 plus 3. What strategy can you use for that one? What is it? Count on. Good. So I can go 8, 9, 10, 11. And then these two swapped places, so I know automatically that this one is also 11. Don't let number 4 confuse you because they swapped, they put the sum on this side. What do we have happening here? 5 plus 5. Yeah, doubles. So we know 5 plus 10, or 5 plus 5 is 10. What do we have happening here? We have 5 plus 4. Oh, you're so good. It goes down 1, so this is a doubles minus 1. So if I know that doubles, 5 plus 5 is 10, then doubles minus 1 has got to be 9. Also, okay, number 5. Number 5, here are my favorites. I have a 5 and a 7. This is actually my favorite. I love this property. I like it because it makes you do half the work when you're learning your facts. So what relationship do we have here, friends? Yep, the commutative property. So you can just abbreviate that. Put CO and turnaround facts or turnaround, same thing. And do we have any other relationships going on here? We don't have a count on. We don't have a doubles. So we could just note the 5 plus 7 is what? 12. You can count on. You could do 7. Start with the bigger add end and go 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Now you're going to finish your assignment this way. You're going to identify the properties and the strategies that you're going to use to solve these. Okay. Thanks for working hard.